Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to make money online and start your own side hustle, today's video is going to be an absolute game changer for you. We've all heard that the real money is in selling your own products, right? But here's the catch. Creating a successful product from scratch can feel overwhelming. Coming up with the right idea, designing it, making sure it's high quality, and then marketing it. All of that can take up weeks, months, or even thousands of dollars in outsourcing. I know, I've been there, and it's no fun at all. But what if I told you that you could skip all of that stress and start making money today with ready-made products? Yes, you heard me right. Let me introduce you to the Make Money Online Ebooks PLR Pack, an incredible bundle of 50 done-for-you ebooks with private label rights, or PLR. This is a huge opportunity for anyone who wants to dive into the Make Money Online niche, without all the headaches that come with product creation. In this video, we're going to dive deep into what this PLR pack offers, and why it could be your golden ticket to a profitable online business. First off, let's talk about what you actually get in this PLR pack. You're getting 50 professionally written and formatted ebooks, all centered around the ever-popular Make Money Online niche. These books cover everything from using platforms like ChatGPT to affiliate marketing, blogging, and even starting your own YouTube channel. If you're looking to tap into a high-demand market, this is it. The best part? You don't have to spend hours writing content from scratch. You're getting ready to sell ebooks, and these aren't just any generic cookie-cutter products. These are unique, freshly created ebooks that have never been released before, and they're designed to provide real value to your customers. Each of the 50 ebooks comes with full PLR rights. That means you can edit, rebrand, and even sell them as your own. Add your name, your brand, or even change the content to fit your audience better. If you've ever wanted to create your own digital product but felt stuck, this is your solution. You're essentially getting a shortcut to starting your own product line. And best of all, you keep 100% of the profits. Now let's talk about the ease of use. These ebooks come in both PDF and Docs formats, so you can open them in Microsoft Word or any compatible software and make edits within minutes. It's so easy, even if you're a beginner. You don't need any fancy design skills or complicated software to get started. You can change the title, add your own personal touch, or just start selling right away, keeping every cent you make. One of the standout features of this PLR pack is that these ebooks are packed with in-demand content that your buyers will love. Take a look at some of the titles included in the pack. You'll get things like 10 Ways to Make Money with ChatGPT, How to Build a Successful Amazon Business, ClickBank Affiliate Marketing, Faceless YouTube Channels from Zero to Side Hustle, and so many more. These are topics people are actively searching for, and they want actionable advice. That means when you sell these ebooks, you're offering valuable content that's already proven to be in demand. But what if you're wondering about the potential of selling these ebooks? Well, let me tell you, there's huge money to be made here. One of the creators of this PLR pack mentioned that their first ebook launch made nearly $445,000. Imagine the possibilities if you were to sell just one of these ebooks, let alone 50. The best part is that the Make Money Online niche is huge. And people are always looking for new ways to earn money on the side or build an online business. These ebooks cover exactly what they're looking for, and you get to sell them at any price you want, giving you unlimited profit potential. Another great feature is the ability to resell the PLR rights. That means you can sell the ebooks to others who want to get into the same business, and they can sell them as their own too. The opportunity to build your own online empire, whether through selling individual ebooks, bundling them, or offering them as bonuses to attract email subscribers, is right at your fingertips. Here's the bottom line. If you've been thinking about starting your own online business but didn't want to go through the hassle of creating a product, the Make Money Online Ebooks PLR pack is the answer. It's quick, easy, and incredibly profitable. You get 50 unique high-quality ebooks, all with full PLR rights, and you can start selling them almost immediately. And with the massive discount offered on this bundle, it's never been easier to get started. So, what are you waiting for? The opportunity is here, and all you need to do is take action. Don't let another day go by wondering how to start your online business. Grab this PLR pack, make the edits, and start selling right away. Trust me, you won't regret it. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop any questions or thoughts you have in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. See you in the next video.